Years ago when I worked for contractors, we had the big mixing machines. When I came to the city of Brownwood, I was jumping up and down wanting to get out and do this type of operation. But a city the size of Brownwood, or even probably larger cities, can't afford a $500,000 or $600,000 piece of equipment. Where with the zipper is very affordable, and the work the machine puts out is remarkable. It really is. We hook onto the asphalt zipper with our pickup and we pull it to the job site. It's very simple, very easy. We're using cement, and the truck shields up and we spread the cement. We hook onto the zipper with the loader. And we begin our mixing process. The machine is extremely easy to use. We have one to spot and one to operate the loader. They love it. To do 700 foot, 30 foot wide takes about 2.5 hours. The material coming out from after it's being mixed is the great plus to the machine, is that you have control of your aggregate size by the speed of the machine. Once we have it all mixed, and using a motor grader and a water truck, we process water into it and lay it back down, and it's usually for 600 foot is a one-day operation to have it processed and laid back down. The street that we're on right now, on this section behind me, we mixed the cement in on Monday, processed it. Today is Wednesday. I'll have 2 guys, one spotting for the zipper and one running the loader, mixing cement on the next phase, the next 2 blocks roughly of the street. The other 2 guys on my crew will be behind me on the section that we've already mixed. They'll be setting blue tops so we can get ready to cut this to finished grade. Through all these operations, this is a residential street. We always maintain at night, every night, that the citizens can get into their homes, park in their driveways. Now during the day there are some interruptions, but there's never a point in time that if emergency we couldn't get vehicles in and out. Prior to the asphalt zipper, the city of Brownwood's method of street repairs was to come in and place an underseal and then an asphalt level up using a motor grader to get the ride quality. All that applies and all that gives us was a surface treatment. At current asphalt cost, that was $5.18 a square yard. With the use of the zipper, now that we have it, we're able to do not just surface, but we're doing the full 8 inches. We're doing the full depth rehabilitation on our streets at a cost of $2.68 a square yard. $2.68 a square yard includes the cement, the prime, and the seal coat. So not only are we saving money, but instead of just doing surface, we're doing the full depth of the street. It's a stabilized road bed now. Cement will continue to cure for years to come, and we have a long-term repair. Surface treatment versus full depth recycling. You can doll it up all you want to. It's kind of like putting lipstick on a pig. You still have a pig. The power of the machine is unreal. Since May, we've done, which is basically 2 months, considering we've had some weather issues and different things, but since May, we've done 11,642 linear foot of residential streets, average width of 30 foot, which is 2.2 miles in 2 months. On one job where they're actually coming in, and in some cases we would, in the past, if we had to reconstruct a street, we would come in and excavate full depth all the way down, bring new base in. That project is 1.2 miles long, I believe. They've been on that project 2 months longer than since we have started our paving season. We've already completed 2.2 miles, and they're not even halfway finished with their project. The cost of it, because they're excavating it out, they're hauling in some base material, then they're using asphalt, black base, and then finishing with regular mix on top. They're coming all the way up. It's a several $million project versus we're going to have 8 miles of streets completed before they're finished with 1. And we're only going to spend $300,000 probably. Here again, I just can't stress enough that for half the cost, we're not just doing the top inch, we're doing the entire 8 inches. I think the asphalt zipper is great for any city or county or small county or anything. It's very cost affordable. The demonstration is very important because it sells itself. The machine will actually sell itself.